Can you tell me if the job you ran last Tuesday made money? Most molders can't. Not for weeks, if ever. Let's fix that. Here's the setup I see in a lot of shops. Quotes live in a spreadsheet. The books live in QuickBooks. The mold history lives in a logbook by the press or in somebody's head. None of it talks. You're not crazy for running that way. Natech Plastics, a Long Island molder, ran a documented mishmash of Access, Excel, and QuickBooks until 2019. It's common, and it stops working once you grow. The spreadsheet habit runs deep. In a 2024 survey of 100 CNC shops, spreadsheets were the most common way to estimate costs by a wide margin. The kicker, nobody was happy with what they used. For at least 40%, parts got quoted with no CAD model at all, that's the eyeball quote, and it's expensive when it's wrong. Let's walk a real job through Odoo and see where it fits and where it doesn't. It starts in CRM. A customer asks for a part, you build the quote. Odoo pulls from product records, so you're not starting from a blank sheet. The win isn't a prettier quote, it's quoting from history, not guessing. Next, the bill of materials. Odoo handles multi-level BOMs, so a subassembly nests inside the parent part. There are variant BOMs for different versions and a phantom type, labeled Kit on screen, where a subassembly's components flow straight into the parent. You define the steps on the BOM's Operations tab. In modern Odoo, there's no separate routing record. Each operation names a work center and a runtime. For molding, that's your setup and mold change, your injection cycle, and your finishing or QC step. Note, work orders are off by default. You turn them on with a checkbox in manufacturing settings. Now scheduling presses. This is where generic ERP gets molding wrong. Changeover isn't one number, a small mold might be 30 minutes. A big hot runner family tool that needs a crane and a rigger can run 3 or 4 hours. So you model setup time per mold, not a flat guess. Color sequencing matters too. The rule is light to dark because running black before natural forces the heaviest purge, and that's real money, sometimes thousands a month. Odoo's work centers let you set per mold setup times and alternate machines. But here's the honest part. Odoo's scheduling is infinite capacity by default. It plans by duration, but it won't stop you overloading a press. True finite scheduling takes configuration, a workaround, or an add-on like free PPL. It's not automatic out of the box. Running production. Cycle time and scrap are where margin lives or dies. Cycle is driven by part geometry, not press size. Cooling is most of the cycle, so 2 parts on the same press can run 12 seconds or 90. Cavity count multiplies output 1 for 1. A 16 cavity tool at 22 seconds makes about 2,600 parts an hour. A single cavity only 164. A flat per machine hour rate gets per part cost wrong unless you capture cycle time and cavity count. Odoo's shop floor app, which is Enterprise, times a work order when the operator taps the header to start, and that actual time drives the real cost. Operators register output and scrap right there. Just know the cavity aware and scrap into price math is configuration, not stock. Material traceability. For medical and automotive, this isn't optional. Buyers want forward and backward genealogy, resin lot to cavity. Odoo tracks products by lot or serial and ties lots to production. Regrind should be governed and lot tracked, not anonymous resin, and in medical, it's often capped or banned outright. Modeling regrind genealogy takes setup, but the bones are there. Old maintenance. Most shops trigger PM by the calendar. Wear track shots, not days. Typical intervals run 50 to 100,000 cycles, and running past that quietly scraps parts before anyone notices. Odoo's maintenance app holds molds as equipment. but it doesn't count shots on its own. Feeding it shot count is the custom piece. I'll tell you that up front. Then the question that started this: did it make money? Odoo shows estimated MO cost versus real cost, material plus labor, at the work center rate times actual time, and reports OEE per work center out of the box. That's a genuine costing backbone. Median press runtime in a 2026 benchmark was about 71%, with top shops near 97%. That's runtime, not full OEE, but visibility alone moves the number. So where does Odoo fit versus a dedicated plastics ERP? Honestly, right here. Odoo is one connected system: CRM, inventory, accounting, purchasing, MRP, quality, maintenance, at a fraction of the cost of Plex or DELMIAworks. What it doesn't do out of the box: wire into press controllers for live cycle data, count shots, or do cavity level costing. Those systems read the machines directly. In Odoo, that's custom integration or operator counts. If you want one honest system that tells you what a job cost, Odoo fits, with a molding layer on top. Plan on enterprise, not community, for shop floor, quality, and maintenance. That molding layer, shot count PM, cavity yield, scrap coating, is the work I do. If you're tired of finding out a job lost money a month later, let's spend 30 minutes on your shop floor's reality. Book a discovery call and bring your worst quote.